The National Testing Agency has released the ICAR AIEEA 2021 application form. Aspiring candidates can fill the ICAR AIEEA application form 2021 till August 20. The application form should be filled with the utmost care and attention. To assist the candidates, we have created the step-by-step video tutorial for the ICAR AIEEA 2021 application process. So let's fill the application form for ICAR AIEEA UG 2021. Registration. First, visit the official website at icar.nta.ac.in and click on the Indian Council of Agricultural Research AIEEA UG 2021 tab. Then, click on the New Registration tab and read all the guidelines very carefully. After reading the guidelines, mark the declaration and then click on the Click Here to Proceed tab. Now, fill the necessary details in the registration form. In the registration form, candidates have to enter their personal details, address, choose a password and enter the security PIN. After filling the registration form, click on the Submit tab. An application number will be sent to the registered mobile number and email ID, verifying email address and mobile number. After registration, candidates have to verify their mobile number and email ID. They will have to click on the Verify Mobile Number tab and an OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Candidates have to enter the OTP in the required section and then click on the Verify Mobile Number. The same will be done to verify the email ID. Application form. The ICAR AIEEA application form 2021 includes 5 sections: personal detail, examination centers, examination details, educational details, details of parents, particular to be verified and security PIN. First, candidates will have to enter more personal details such as state of domicile, category and place of residence. Then, they need to select the 4 exam centers as per their preference. In the next section, candidates have to enter education details of class 10th and 12th. Details regarding the parents are also required in the application form. At the end of the application form, candidates have to mark the verified details and enter the security PIN. Now, mark the declaration and click on the Submit tab. Documents uploading. Candidates now have to upload a recent passport photograph, signature and thumb impression in the prescribed format. After uploading the documents, candidates have to mark the declaration and press the payment button. Fee payment. Candidates can choose their preferred mode of payment and click on Proceed to Payment. Now, candidates can select the payment gateway to pay the application fee. Press the Download Confirmation page to print out the ICAR AIEEA application form. Candidates should keep the application form safe for future reference. For more information about the application process of ICAR AIEEA 2021, check the description below.